Hi, my wonderful seventh graders. It's Mrs. Rowe. I miss you all so much. Oh, it's been hard. Okay, so we are going into our sixth week, but it's our first week of our World Lit unit. So with this unit, we're going to change things up a little bit, and I'm going to give you a whole week's material at once. You'll still get your checklists, so you can go through and make sure you're doing the things on the checklist. But then if you ever want to like work ahead or you got a little extra time and you want to get some things done, you can always look at this and see what's coming up. So I'm just going to go over the week and kind of show you what to expect. So you'll have your weekly checklist that you should have looked at, and it has an activity usually to start with, like posting a shout out in our Flipgrid. I'm lonely and I need you guys to say hello to me. But also vocabulary. We have finished the first 10 words and we'll be posting grades for that soon. And then there's might be some other things in there too. So do those things. But then this will also be in there, and it'll tell you to go and complete slide 1 or slide 2 or slide 3, whatever. First day, you're supposed to complete slides 1 and 2, which is watching this video, but also going through Tuesday's work. So Tuesday's work, I'm just going to go through each day so that you have a little bit of an overview. So Tuesday, May 5th, which happens to be my daughter Kayla's birthday, you are going to, happy birthday, Kayla. You are going to reflect on what you know about world literature. You might be like, what? I don't know anything about world literature, but you probably know more than you think. And so you're going to get to view some art and think about what you know and respond to a Padlet. And that's by clicking on this link here, and it'll take you to an assignment where you're going to look at some art and make a response. You're going to read an introduction, so this is just a little blurb about what is world literature. It's what I majored in college. I love world literature, all these different cultures. And then read the mentor text. There's a mentor text that you'll just read through. It's pretty short. It's just it has to do with a Greek Roman or Greek origin story. So if you ever read anything about Percy Jackson and that stuff, you might be familiar with some things there. So that's what you do today. On Wednesday, tomorrow, you're going to watch a video just teaching you about theme and main idea. From our poetry unit, we had a lot of kids asking, what's theme? What's theme? I don't know what theme is. So you're going to watch a video. You click on the link to watch it, and then you're going to complete this quizzes and practice. And that's all you do for Wednesday. On Thursday, for World Lit. On Thursday for World Lit, you're going to reread the mentor text. So you've already read it. So you just kind of reread it to refamiliarize yourself with it. And there's a formative. So you have to do your best work. And you're going to do the ticket out the door. You're going to click on this and it's going to bring you to a form. And you're going to complete that. And then the last thing are a graphic organizer that is in Google Classroom in our World Literature folder. There's a World Literature folder that's being made for each class. Now that it's Tuesday, it might not be in there yet, but it's going to be there soon. And in there, there's going to be an assignment where you're going to be working on. It's going to be like a graph, a chart, and you're going to fill that in for today's mentor text. But on Friday, you'll be filling it in. So there's also a video. Miss Powers made the video. We kind of came together and are all working on these assignments together. So Miss Powers made the video and she explains how to fill that chart out. And you're going to copy the answers from the video that she gives you, and you're going to put them into your graphic organizer. So she's going to give you some answers. Don't forget to get those answers. And then open up your chart and go in there. And the second thing you're going to do on Friday is a really short writing prompt. You're going to make up your own origin story. So you're going to make up your own world. So you're going to pretend like you are creating your own world, and you're going to have some kind of beginning, how your world began, how it came into being, and how its origins began. I can't speak. I haven't spoke for a long time. Origins are the start of something. So things are that you should consider is are there going to be many gods like in our mentor text and so forth. Be creative. There's a timer here because I only want you to spend 5 minutes writing it, and whatever comes to your head to write about it. Just make it up and be done with it, and don't worry about it. And that's going to be in Google Classroom. I think it's going to be in writing under world literature. It might be under world literature though. I might have screwed that one up. Okay, I'll fix that. Follow the directions on Friday's slide. I miss you all. I miss you all. I really do. I don't know how you guys are doing it. Hang in there with me. Hang in there with me. Shoot me a line, shoot me an email, shoot me a message. Just let me know how you're doing. All right, take care, people.